There is something quietly powerful about wood. Not loud. Not demanding. But present, always present. Before it becomes part of a home, before it is shaped by human hands, it exists in silence. Growing slowly, year after year, recording time in rings that no one sees until much later. Each line, each grain, each subtle shift in tone is a memory. A season of rain. A season of drought. A moment of resilience. And then, one day, that silent story begins to speak. Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio, where wood is not just material, it is memory, transformed. Imagine standing in a workshop early in the morning. The air is still. Light filters through a small window, catching tiny particles of sawdust suspended in motionless air. There is no noise yet, only anticipation. On the workbench lies a raw piece of timber. Rough. Uneven. Untouched. At first glance, it may seem ordinary. But look closer. The surface holds patterns that have never been repeated before and will never exist again. Nature does not duplicate its designs. Every curve, every knot, every imperfection carries identity. And that is where the journey begins. Craftsmanship is not about forcing wood into shape. It is about listening to it. A skilled hand does not dominate the material, it understands it. It follows the natural flow, respects the grain, and works with the character already present. Because within every piece of timber, there is already a form waiting to emerge. The process starts slowly. A careful cut. A measured adjustment. Each movement is deliberate, guided not just by tools, but by intuition. Machines may assist, but the vision remains human. The connection between hand and material cannot be replaced. As the rough edges begin to soften, something remarkable happens. The wood starts to reveal itself. Patterns become clearer. Lines begin to align. What once seemed random now feels intentional. This is the moment when transformation becomes visible, not just physically, but emotionally. Because crafting with wood is more than shaping an object. It is shaping an experience. Think about the spaces we live in. Modern homes are often filled with clean lines, smooth surfaces, and polished finishes. They are efficient, functional, and beautifully designed. But sometimes, they lack something deeper, something grounding. That is where wood speaks the loudest. It introduces warmth into precision. It softens sharp edges. It brings balance between the natural and the constructed. A single wooden element can shift the entire atmosphere of a space, making it feel more alive, more human. But the beauty of wood is not just in how it looks. It is in how it ages. Unlike synthetic materials that wear out or fade away, wood evolves. It changes with time, developing richer tones, deeper textures, and a presence that grows stronger with every passing year. It does not lose its value, it gains it. Every mark, every subtle change becomes part of its ongoing story. And that story becomes part of yours. This is why handcrafted wood holds a different kind of meaning. It is not mass-produced. It is not identical. It carries the touch of its maker, the intention behind every decision, and the patience required to bring it to life. There is no rush in true craftsmanship. Time is not an obstacle, it is an essential ingredient. From selecting the right piece of timber to refining every surface, each step demands attention. Each moment matters. Because in the end, what you create is not just something to use or display. It is something to feel. Pause for a moment and think about the objects around you. How many of them tell a story? How many of them feel personal, unique, irreplaceable? In a world driven by speed and convenience, handcrafted wood stands apart. It reminds us to slow down, to appreciate detail, to value authenticity over perfection. And perhaps that is why it resonates so deeply. Because it reflects something we often forget. That beauty does not come from uniformity. It comes from character. Back in the workshop, the transformation continues. The surface is sanded, gradually becoming smoother, softer to the touch. Edges are refined. Details are sharpened. What once felt raw now feels intentional, complete. Then comes the finishing stage. This is where the wood truly comes alive. As oil or polish is applied, the grain deepens in color. Patterns that were barely visible suddenly stand out with clarity and depth. It is as if the wood is breathing again, revealing everything it has held within for years. The final result is not just something you see. It is something you connect with. Because you can sense the journey behind it. You can feel the time it took, the care that shaped it, and the story embedded within every fiber. And when it finds its place in a home, it does more than fill a space. It becomes part of daily life. It witnesses moments, quiet mornings, busy afternoons, meaningful conversations. It stands still while everything else moves. And over time, it becomes woven into the rhythm of that environment. This is what makes wood timeless. Not trends. Not styles. But presence. The ability to remain relevant, meaningful, and beautiful regardless of change. Modern homes continue to evolve. Designs shift. Preferences change. But the essence of natural materials remains constant. Wood adapts without losing its identity. It blends into new environments while still carrying its original character. That balance is rare. And that is what makes it so valuable. As we move further into a world of automation and digital creation, the importance of handcrafted work becomes even more significant. It reminds us of human capability. Of creativity that cannot be replicated by algorithms. Of the connection between maker and material. Because at its core, craftsmanship is not just about skill. It is about intention. Why something is made. How it is made. And what it represents. Every piece created in Crafted Wood Studio carries that intention forward. Not just to produce something beautiful, but to preserve the quiet dialogue between nature and design. To honor the origins of the material while shaping it for modern living. This is not about nostalgia. It is about continuity. Bringing the past into the present in a way that feels natural, effortless, and meaningful. So the next time you see a piece of wood, pause for a moment. Look beyond the surface. Notice the grain. The patterns. The subtle variations in tone. Think about where it came from. The years it spent growing. The journey it took to reach that point. And then consider what it has become. Because within that transformation lies something truly remarkable. A story that began long before us, and will continue long after. That is the echo in wood. A quiet, enduring presence that speaks without words. And perhaps, in listening to it, we reconnect with something essential. something real, something timeless. Thank you for being part of this journey with Crafted Wood Studio. If this story resonated with you, take a moment to support the craft. Like this video, share it with others who appreciate the beauty of natural materials, and subscribe to the channel for more stories shaped by wood and time. Because every piece has a voice. And every voice deserves to be heard.